Alright, what's up guys? So I have one question for you. Are you back testing your trading system regularly? And if you're not, you really need to start doing that, and I will show you in this video how to do that. Alright, what's up guys? So a very important thing about trading is backtesting, right? But before we go into the details of backtesting, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so that you'll get notified whenever we post a new video and go live. We're doing quite a few lives as well. I'm doing about 1 or 2 lives public for you guys every week, where I basically do live trading and show you exactly how to trade the crypto and forex market. So in today's video I want to talk about backtesting. I'm gonna be backtesting a very simple idea here, where I trend with the I trade with the trend, and I base it on the 4-hour, and I want to go long. So what I want to do here is I want to backtest this idea all the way back from the beginning of the last major bull market. The idea here is I want to go long on the retest of the 4-hour 20 EMA. If there's a bullish engulfing candle and a stochastics bull cross below 30, or at least having the stochastics RSI below 30, I'll show you exactly how that's done in a minute. I'll be using a backtesting template right here, and this template is available for all members of the Birb Nest. If you want this template and if you want to check it out, you can join the free trial in the Birb Nest. So all you have to do is just go to the thebirbnest.com/free trial and try it out completely free. And when you're in, all you have to do is tag me in the Nest Club chat, and I will send this document to you. It's a very good backtesting template that I'm using in my own trading to backtest my ideas. So let's see, we have the replay function here activated on Tradingview, and what I do here is I hold the shift key and press the right arrow, and that will take me to the next bar, right? So what I want to do here, I can also hold shift and press the down arrow to let it just play out like this. So what we're going to do here is we're going to wait for a clear trend to form right here, and there's the breakout. Now let's see, do we have a retest of the 20 EMA with a 4-hour bullish engulfing? Yes, we do, but that is quite big. But you know what? Let's take this trade. All right, it's a very big candle, and it maybe doesn't really make sense, but let's take this trade just for the fact of you know, backtesting this. So I will take let's say TP1 here, and then TP2 up here, or let's say 25% here, and then 75. So the average R would be somewhere around 2R. See if this plays out, right? So that's a 2R winner. What I do here is I go to the copy of the backtesting template right here. I have results in R right here, and I put in a number 2 as in 2R, and I don't also have the stochastics RSI confluence right here. And this is interesting. If you put in a 1 here, it means that you can track whatever confluence, right? So if you want to track 1 extra statistics, you can put a 1 here for yes, or a 0 as no, and you will then see right here how many, like what would be the win rate and the cumulative risk to reward if you're only taking the trades where there's confluence with this extra confluence right here. But I'm not going to use that one right now, but it's a very powerful tool to use when backtesting like this. All right, so let's see if we can get another test of the 4-hour 20 EMA. And here we have a test of the 4-hour 20 EMA. What we want to do now is we want to wait for a stochastics bull cross, like a nice stochastics bull cross bottom being put in right here. And I'd say we got that one. Test is right here, and then we have a bull cross right here. That would actually be a trade. So that would actually be a trade that I would look at. I would probably put my stop loss below that wick right there, or even below this whole area right here, something like that. And I would then base my take profit targets would be based on the resistance levels to the left here. But just to make it simple during this backtesting and not make the video way too long, I'm just gonna put my TPs at my TP at 3 every time, right? So let's see how this works out. TP at 3 every time. So let's do the same on this one right there. That would be a 3R trade. So let's change this to 3. Now let's see if this strategy would have worked in the previous bull run, right? So this one, all right, come on, hit TP right there. So that's another 3R winner, like that. Then we see if we can find a new one. It's hitting the 50 EMA right here, hit the 20 EMA right here, had a nice 4-hour bullish engulfing. I would probably enter on that one right there. Stops below, got 3R. That's a 3R winner once again. And then you just continue like this, right? It's a test of the 20 right here again. So there's a nice push to the upside. Let's enter on that one with stops below that one. Take profit at 3. So that's a stop out. That's a minus 1R. If we can see a nice trend form again. There's a good bullish engulfing right here with a bull cross as well. That is, let's see, 3R would be up here. That's the stop out. So wait for a new trend to form. There's the breakout. That's the break of 20K, right? Let's see, do we have a retest? Yep, here's the retest. Let's see if we can get a nice bullish, we can push to the upside right here. Let's put that at 3R. Right, so that's the 3R winner right there. And here is another trade where you have a stochastics bottom right here. You have a nice 4-hour bullish engulfing. I'd take that one because that is when you have the bull cross. So we do a 3R trade once again. That's a 3R. Right, so I don't have to continue this, right? You understand the principle, right? So we look at the backtesting ideas of this right here. So we zoom out, we look at this right here. And what we find is that this is a good idea to capture the trend, right? Now you can use different take profit targets. You know, you can use the 3R, or you can use the trailer stops up with the using the 50 EMA and the 4-hour. That doesn't matter. I'm not trying to show you a strategy here, even though that this works extremely well when Bitcoin is trending. The idea is not to show you a strategy. The idea is to show you how to backtest your strategy. So make a plan, make an idea, and start backtesting the ideas using Tradingview. And when you found something that's working, let's say you have like, this is only 7 trades, right? But after, let's say, 50 trades, you look at the results right here, and my win rate on these trades are around 70%, and the average risk to reward is 13, or the total risk to reward, the return is 13, which is obviously very good. So if you do this for 50 trades, you have found something that might actually work in the future as well. And that is when you start trading this idea live. And when you're actually profitable for, I'd say about 1 or 2 months trading, forward testing, that is when you start adding funds to your capital and start trading for real. Now, it's extremely important, guys, that you do your backtesting. Extremely important, because this will increase your confidence level in your system, and that is very, very important. So next time you see your setup, you know that according to the backtesting results, the chances are higher for me to win this trade than to actually lose. Or if you have a lower than 50% win rate but a high risk to reward, you could at least say that I am most likely going to lose this trade, but if it's a winner, it's going to be bigger than my losers. It's extremely important to have that information so that you can get rid of the fear of entering a trade. Alright guys, that's it for me. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to join the free trial on the Birb Nest, and I will send you this documentation right here so that you can start your own backtesting. And let me know if you have any questions regarding backtesting, and I'll gladly help you out. Alright guys, take care.